Today's topic is interpolation. In today's problem, we are going to solve the problem using Gauss's forward interpolation formulae. So from the following data, the values of x as well as y is equal to e power x are given, and we have to interpolate the values of y when x is equal to 1.91. So x as well as y is equal to e power x values are given. See here, the table here, the following is the table. So x values and y is equal to e power x values are given. So 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, the values are given. So from the following data, we have to find the values of x at 1.91. So this is 1.9 and this is 2.0. In between, there will be 1.91. So we have to calculate the value of y is equal to e power x value. So first of all, we have to draw the central difference table. So we have to frame this table. So for framing this table, I have already done here. I am showing. So these are all the x values and these are all the y values. And if you observe this one, the first difference will be, so we have to subtract. So from lower one minus upper one, that is 6.4096 minus 5.4739. So likewise, so after subtracting from this minus, so I have to write the first difference here and later the difference here. So this will be the central difference table until delta power 5 exists. So these are all the values which I used calci for calculating this one, and it is an easy process as you can do. And if you don't know, you look at my previous video, so it will be very clear. After filling this central difference table, so what is the value needed? That is 1.91. So the nearest value here is for 1.91, the nearest value is 1.9. So I have chosen this one as x0. So after that, this will be x1, x2, x3, and this will be x minus 1, x minus 2. And this value is y0. So as this is, I'm using Gauss's forward difference table, I'm using the forward wave here. So these are the wave values. So these are needed for substitution in the formulae. So, and we have another formula here, x is equal to x0 plus p into h. X value, that is 1.91. So this is the value to be calculated, and x0 is the nearest value here. I have chosen this one as x0, that is 1.9. So this is 1.9 and h. So it is the difference between. So here the difference between 1.8 minus 1.7 gives the value of h, that is 0.1. So if I substitute in place of x as 1.91, in place of x as 1.9, in place of x h as 0.1. So I need the value of p. So here is the value of p. P will be 1.91 minus 1.9 by 0.1. So the p value I got is 0.1. So after getting this p value, I have to use the Gauss's forward interpolation formulae. So for the Gauss's forward interpolation formulae, I said you so many times in my videos that it's very easy to remember. See here, yp value is equal to, see, yp will be, this is y0. So I need two y0s, two p's, two p plus 1s, two p plus 2s, and so everything I'll take for twice. So y0, so pc1, the first reference delta y0. So after using two p0s, I'll go with p minus 1. So this is pc2. So I need two p's here. So the second difference. So I have taken two y0s. So this will be y minus 1. So I have taken two p's. The next one will be p plus 1 c3. Into this one is delta cube of y minus 1. And the next one, after using two p's, 2p plus 1. So this is again p plus 1 c4. The fourth difference y. So there are two y0s, two y minus 1s, and this will be minus 2. And I've chosen two p plus 1. So this will be p plus 2. P plus 2 c5, and this is delta power 5 minus 3. So this is minus 2 plus and so on. See, if you observe, there will be two y0s, two y minus 1s, two y minus 2s, and there will be two p's, two p plus 1s, two p plus 2s, and so on. So now I have to substitute all the values here. So this is y at 1.91 value to be tabulated here. So p value, it is already known that it is 0.1. So p value here is very clear that it's 0.1. Now I'm going to substitute here, and all the values are needed here for substitution. The first one, be very careful when substituting. So as I have chosen this one as x0, so 1.9 value I have chosen as x0, and this will be y0. So what is our y0 value? This is a 6859 plus, what is our p value? This is 0.1 C1 into the next value here is 0.7032, and the next value here is 0.1 C2 PC2 into delta square. So the next value here is 0.0669, and the next value here is, after PC2, this is P plus 1. What is P here? That is 0.1 plus 1, that is C3 into delta cube. After using this value, I have to go with this. That is 0.0070 plus, and the next one P plus 1. So what is P? That is 0.1 plus 1 C4 into the next value here is 0.0007 and PC2 P plus 2. So what is P here? 0.1 plus 2 C5 into the last value is 0.0001. See here. So these are the values which I have taken. First one 6.6859, that is 0.7032, and the next value is 0.0669, and this one is 0.0070, this is 0.0007, this is 0.001. So this is there two P's, 2p plus 1 and p plus 2 and so on. So now we have to calculate this value. So y at p value is equal to, this is a 6859 into, this value will be 0.1 into 0.7032, and this value is n into, this is n minus 1 by 2 factorial into 0.0669, and this value is nothing but, this is 1.1 C3 into, this value is 0.070, and this value is 1.1 C4 into 0.0007, and this value will be, this is 2.1 C5 into 0.0001. Now we have to calculate all these values. So this will be 6.6859 plus, so the value here is 0.7032 into 0.1. The value here is, this value is 0.07032, and the next value here is 0.1, this is minus 0.9 by 2 factorial, 0.1 minus 1, so minus 0.9 into 0.0669, and the next one here 1.1, so this is n into, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 into, this is 0.0070, and this value n into, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2, this is n minus 3 into, this value is 0.0007 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and the next value here is, this is n into, this is n minus 1, this is n minus 2, this is n minus 3, and this value is n minus 4 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into, the value here is 0.0001. See here, YP value is 6. This is 6859 plus 0.7032, and this value is negative minus. So this value I am calculating here. So this is 0.1 into 0.9 into 0.0669 divided by 2. The value here is 0.00, this is 30105, and the next value I have to calculate here. So this is 1.1, 1.1 minus 1, this is 0.1, so this is 1.1, this is 1.1 minus 2, the value is minus 0.9, this is 0.0070 divided by 6, and this value will be 1.1. 1.1 minus 1, this is 0.1, so this is 1.1, this is minus 0.9, so this is minus 0.9, 1.1 minus 2, this is minus 0.9, this value will be minus 1.9, so this is 1.1 minus 3 value is minus 1.9 into this value is 0.0007 by this value will be 24. And the next value, when you see here, this is 2.1, 2.1 minus 1, this is 1.1, this is 2, this is 0.1, so this value will be minus 0.9, this is minus 1. This is 2.1 minus 3 value is minus 0.9, this is 2.1 minus 4 is minus 1.9 into this is 0.0001 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, this value is 120. So now YP value is equal to, see here, this is 6.6859 plus 0.7032 minus 0.0030105, and this value is subtraction minus. So if I calculate the value here, so this will be see here, this will be 1.1 into 0.1 into this is 0.9 into 0.0070, 0.9 divided by 6. The value here is, that is 0.0001155. And the next value I have to calculate here, this one. So there is minus here and minus here. So this value will be plus. So this value will be plus. So now I have to calculate this value, that is 1.1 into 0.1 into 0.9 into 1.9 into this is 0.0007 divided by 24. The value here is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 548625. So at the sixth character I have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 548625. And the next one, here there is minus and here there is minus, so it will be plus. So now I have to calculate the final value here, that is 2.1 into this is 1.1 into 0.1 into 0.9 into this is 1.9 into this is 0.0001. That's it, divided by this is 120. The value here is 0.0000. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the 7th place we have to write. So now, so if I go with this, so this will be YP value, that is a 6859 plus this is 0. This is a 7032 minus this is 0.0030105 minus 0.000, this is 1155 plus this is 0.12345, that is 548625 plus this is 0.123456, this is 32, this is 9175. The value here is 7 point. So YP value is equal to, this is 7.3859798. So this value we got is 7.38 like this. And this is how we have to solve. And see here, look, it's so simple. So we have to calculate the value here between the values of 1.9 and 1.2. So the center difference table I have created, and this is the p value, and the next one, and this is the forward difference table. So in this, if I substitute each and every point here and I have calculated, I got the value of YP at Y at 1.91 value is a 7385978. and this is how we have to solve. This is the full procedure, and thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. So I'll be uploading many more problems related to the Gauss's backward formulae, and thank you so much for watching. If you really like, you know what to do, please practice.